Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. In this video I want to show you how to propagate a verbena plant from cuttings. Is it possible to grow verbena from cuttings? Of course, yes. Verbena is a very capricious plant, the seeds of which do not germinate well. Often sowing verbena seeds gives a negative result. The germination of seeds is very low. This phenomenon can be explained by the fact that the seeds of verbena have a very thick shell and therefore do not germinate well. But if you do manage to grow a few plants from seed, the next step is to use verbena cuttings for propagation. Each young verbena plant can give 3 to 5 complete cuttings. You just need to choose the right time to cut and take the verbena cuttings correctly. 1. When is the best time to take verbena cuttings? The best time to take verbena cuttings is spring and early summer. These are my verbena plants that I have grown from seed. I will be cutting back the verbena plants in early March. They will give me new young cuttings for verbena propagation. 2. Substrate for rooting verbena cuttings. Now I will prepare a substrate for rooting verbena cuttings. This is neutralized fine top peat with the addition of agroperlite 10% to loosen the soil. I use transparent plastic cups to see the formation of young roots of verbena plants. How to cut verbena? How do I take verbena cuttings? I will be shaping the young verbena plants to get a more large bush. I will cut off some of the side stems, and I will also cut off the center stem to encourage the verbena to branch out. Look, these are Verbena cuttings. Now they need to be cleaned, the lower leaves, if there are any. Cut off part of the leaf plate if the leaf is too big to reduce evaporation and plant it in the soil. Verbena is a plant that does not like abundant watering, and therefore there is a problem when propagating this plant. Verbena cuttings can be affected by root rot. Therefore, I use a water solution of fungicide to moisten the soil, and I do this every time until the young plant forms roots. For quality results, I place these Verbena cuttings in a warm place where there is semi-shade. Use polyethylene film to cover them to get a greenhouse effect and air them every day. After 2 to 3 weeks, you can get completely free Verbena plants by growing them from your cuttings. It's easy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up below this video. See you soon!